Okay, very good evening. Welcome to PyCube Learning. So let us see the sums from polynomials standard 10. It is one of the board question. Let me read the question. Find the zeros of 3x squared minus x minus 4 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So let me start. So it's a solution. First I should find the zeros of 3x squared minus x minus 4. So how can I find the zeros of 3x squared minus x minus 4? Either factorization or we can use the formula. But factorization is the easiest one. So let me take the polynomial 3x squared minus x minus 4. I am going to find the zeros using factorization. Since there is a number next to x squared, that is the coefficient of x squared is 3. So first I should multiply 3 and 4. So whenever I multiply, first I should multiply the sign, then only I should multiply the number. Actually here there is no sign. No sign means that is plus. So plus into minus minus 3 into 4, 12. So first I multiplied 3 and minus 4, put it inside the circle. Next you take the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is nothing but the number which is attached with x. Actually there is no number with x. So obviously that is 1. What 1? Minus 1. So this is minus 1. Then next you have to think the number. Okay, when you multiply you should get 12. While you are adding or subtract you should get 1. That is the two numbers when you multiply the answer should be minus 12. The same factors while you are adding or subtracting it should be minus 1. So can you guess? Yes. 3 4s are 12 and 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So let me take same 3 and 4. Even 4 minus 3 is also 1, but I need minus 1. So I should take plus 3 minus 4. The same sign here also I should write plus 3 minus 4. Now before proceeding the sum once we can check. Different sign, subtract one biggest number sign. So this is correct. Here I should multiply and check. Plus into minus minus 3 4s are 12. So these two are the exact factors what I need. So the one of the factor is plus 3, the another factor is minus 4. The next what I should do is, let me tell you one shortcut method to do the factorization. The next one you should do is, take the coefficient of x squared with the sign 3. So both the factors you should divide by 3 along with x. Which one I should divide? The coefficient of x squared. So this also you should divide 3x. Actually 3 will get cancelled 1. So I have plus 1 by x. The another one is minus 4 by 3x. Now this you write as x plus 1. So which is equal to x plus 1 in one bracket. The another one is 3x minus 4. Start from the denominator. Here I have x, here I have plus 1. So x plus 1 in one bracket, and here I have 3x, here I have minus 4. So 3x minus 4 in another bracket. This is nothing but the factorization. But I need the zeros. How can I find the zeros? You write x plus 1 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 1. This is one of the 0. Let me find the another 0. So take the next bracket. 3x minus 4 equal to 0. That is 3x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 3. So I have two zeros. One is minus 1 and another one is 4 by 3. So the first part over. Find the zeros. I find the zeros. The next what I should do? Verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So now what I should do is divide the notebook into two parts. Zeros and coefficients. So here you write the heading zeros and here you write the heading coefficient. With this only I am going to verify. So what are the zeros? Minus 1 is 1 0, 4 by 3 is another 0. So take alpha as minus 1 and beta as 4 by 3. The next I should write the coefficients. So what are the coefficients? 3 is one of the coefficient of x squared and 1 is coefficient of x and c is minus 4. Actually, the general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax squared plus bx plus c. So what is a? 3. What is b? No number means 1, minus 1. What is c? 4. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. So now I am going to find alpha plus beta. Do you know the formula for alpha plus beta? Yes, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a. So here I am going to use alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Here I am going to find alpha plus beta manually. So what is alpha? Minus 1. What is beta? 4 by 3. Minus 1 and 4 by 3 I am going to add. Actually this is a fraction, this is a whole number. Instead of writing by 1 and taking LCM, we can do the cross multiplication. If you have one fraction and one whole number, instead of LCM, we can do the cross multiplication. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 4 by 3. Once you do the cross multiplication, it will become whole. So minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1 by 3. That is alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3. Next I am going to find alpha beta. What is alpha beta? Alpha into beta. So alpha is minus 1, beta is 4 by 3. While you are multiply, you should not take LCM. I should multiply the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Denominator I have only one number. You write as it is 4 by 3. So alpha beta is equal to minus 4 by 3. So I know alpha plus beta is 1 by 3 and alpha beta is minus 4 by 3. Here I am going to find same alpha plus beta and alpha beta using the formula. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So here minus and b is minus 1. When there is 2 sign, I should put the bracket. So minus 1 by 3. So a number should have only one sign. But here I have 2 sign. Minus into minus plus. So 1 by 3. So my answer is alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 3. Now you compare alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 3. In both the cases I got the same answer. Now coming to the next one, alpha beta. What's the formula for alpha beta? Yes, c by a. What is c? Minus 4. And what is a? 3. So alpha beta is equal to minus 4 by 3. Here what is the answer? Again alpha beta equal to minus 4 by 3. So in both the cases alpha plus beta and alpha beta I got the same answer. So finally you should write hence verified. Conclude the answer as hence verified. Thank you.